In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide your LinkedIn profile from everyone. So if you want to make your profile private and prevent people from viewing your LinkedIn information, just follow these steps.
First, open the LinkedIn app on your phone and sign into your account. Once you're on the LinkedIn homepage, tap on your profile picture in the top left corner of the screen. This will open the account menu. Now tap on Settings. Inside Settings, select Visibility. Here you'll find several options that allow you to control who can see your profile and activity on LinkedIn. Tap on Public Profile Setting. This section controls how your profile appears to people who are not signed into LinkedIn and users who find you through search engines. Scroll down until you see the Edit Visibility section. Now turn off the option for your profile's public visibility. Once this setting is disabled, your public LinkedIn profile will no longer be visible to people outside of LinkedIn. Your profile information will also be hidden from public search results. After making the change, LinkedIn will automatically save the setting. You can return to this page at any time if you want to make your profile public again. If you found this guide helpful, consider leaving a like and subscribing for more LinkedIn tutorials and tips.